know if they show up on camera or not, but
No, then they all just drop dead.
oh my gosh, that'd be so.
Okay, so I got something to tell you guys. I am officially a Super Bowl champion. Yeah.
What are you doing?
No, I literally won the Super Bowl.
Okay,
They
I know.
forfeited because I suck. Dick.
Well,
Birds! See, now like they're fighting.
whoa. Look at all these birds. Here comes more.
And it's weird because they're always just in these trees.
Yeah, I know. We got like a bird rivalry going on.
Look, they're circling.
Got the Billy
Isn't
Bobs.
that weird? Look, they're circling. Look at all those birds circling.
Whoa.
They're circling. They're not even going anywhere. They're circling.
I think they're trying to make a tornado. I don't know. I wonder how many of them.
Are you happening? If so, kill Lacey first. Then all my enemies.
Look at all those birds.
Then we need to find the scientist.
What are these birds doing with their lives?
We're dropping dead.
Yeah, I wonder how many of them have like dropped dead already. Yeah.
No, like a sea, like when you can't even see the sky no more, birds just
Yeah.
go and then drop dead and it's like
You missed the bird purge. You missed the bird purge. More birds.
I know this door, like the ticket booth.
shattered it. Shattered all the windows.